Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a magnetic wireless charging stand. This one here says 15 watts, so it'll do decent speed of charging wirelessly. So it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. Comes with the little stand here, and it seems very nicely made. It's at a fixed angle, you can see, and comes with some instructions. So let's go ahead and I'll plug this in. I have a USB-C cable here. Hopefully this one here has enough power. It's just coming out of my computer. Look at that, it lights up in different colors. And then I have a phone I can stick on it, and there it is. Well, it says it's 100% charged because it's already charged, but look at that. So it stays on there. It's a great little nightstand one. It's actually a pretty decent angle for here. I might actually put this one right here on my desk so I can always keep an eye on my phone, and it just snaps on there really easy and ready to go. How cool is that? So very easy to do, and it's still at 100. Okay, and it looks like when it's on there and you see when it's off, it's lighting up like a night light kind of thing with different color changes, and then as soon as the phone goes on there and starts charging, the little light goes off. So kind of shows you, you can always find it. So very cool, thumbs up.